Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the spider plant. Spider plant is one of the most common and well known of all the houseplants. It is especially popular with the beginners as it is easy to grow and propagate. This plant is tolerant of neglect and able to survive in nearly any type of condition. It gets its common name of spider plant from the small plantlets produced on the long trailing stems that looks like spiders. The leaves may be solid green or variegated with lengthwise stripes of white or yellow, and the leaves are not flat but appear channeled or folded up down in the middle. Plants grows 12 to 15 inches tall. The thick, fleshy roots and the rhizomes evolved to store water, allowing it to survive in consistent water. Sometimes the spider plant produces long and wiry stems up to 2 feet long, and sometimes with a few small leaves, especially in response to short days and long, uninterrupted nights for at least 3 weeks. Studies have shown that spider plant is quite effective in cleaning indoor air by absorbing chemicals including formaldehyde, xylene, benzene, and carbon monoxide in homes or offices. Spider plant is popular because it is very easy to grow indoor or outdoors. Indoors in medium to bright light throughout the year. It does well with average humidity and cool to average temperature, although it can tolerate warmer conditions too. We should use a general purpose potting soil or soilless medium. Plants grow and produce plantlets best when slightly pot bound because they grow quickly and the roots can easily become too crowded. They need frequent repotting to do their best. One should allow the soil to dry slightly between thorough waterings. Fertilizing every 3-4 months is usually sufficient, or feed more frequently using half strength fertilizer solution. We should be aware that heavily fertilized plants may not form as many plantlets, and excessive fertilizer may lead to deep browning too. Spider plants have generally very few pest problems other than scale insects and mealybugs. Deep burn of the leaves is a common problem that can have many causes in spider plants. Low humidity, excessively dry soil, salt accumulation, and or chemicals, particularly fluoride or chlorine in tap water, may cause brown leaf tips. Using distilled or rainwater will help prevent deep browning. Overwatering or planting in poorly drained soils can lead to root rot also. Spider plant can also be grown outdoors as an annual in cool climates. It does well in most well-drained soils. Spider plant is a good addition to the containers with its grass-like foliage that makes a nice contrast to the other foliage types. It is quite well suited to a hanging basket also, where the stems can hang down. Outdoors, they need bright light but can sunburn if grown in full sun. In warmer climates, they make a nice ground cover in partly shaded areas in the garden. Spider plant is very easy to propagate. You can propagate spider plants easily by planting the spiders or the plantlets that succeed the flowers in their own pots. Set the plantlet still attached to the mother plant on the surface of a pot filled with soilless potting medium and allow it to root before serving the stem connecting it to the mother plant. Plants have many varieties like Milky Way, Pitatum, and Variegatum. Milky Way has leaves with green margins and a broad white to cream center, creating a much lighter overall appearance than other cultivars. Pitatum has dark green leaves with a wide creamy white stripe down the center of each leaf. It tends to be slower growing than the green types, and Variegatum has relatively broad green leaves. So guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more such new informative garden videos. Thank you.